right. Woo! So what was the best part about yesterday, Miles?
Danging some bros, clearing buildings. That Thunderbeat kill that got us was kind of cool. Never had to experience diving away from a grenade.
Awesome. All right, Pierre, what was your favorite moment, man?
Playing.
Playing? Anything special? Anything you really enjoyed about the AO, or?
I really enjoyed it when you sent me over to the other side, like when we were clearing all those buildings consecutively.
Okay.
And they were all just like talking, like, we gotta do this, we gotta do this. I was like, guys, provide cover fire, we're gonna get people up, and they did that, and we ended up pushing up like just to the other side.
Awesome.
And I just got that.
Awesome. Steve, so what was the biggest lesson learned for you yesterday?
Lesson learned, keep fluid.
Okay.
Move with the rest of the group fast.
All right, awesome. Speed is key. Watkins, what about you? Anything in particular you learned that was
I really like working with Blue's crew.
okay?
It was good to integrate with those guys and figure out how we could work off of them.
Awesome.
You know, figure out who was ready to play with us and who wasn't, and just keep going.
Yeah, I heard you took over squad leader at some point yesterday and kept it moving then, huh?
That was cool. We ended up peeling around and bypassing the sniper and just rolling.
Nice.
Yeah, it was cool.
Awesome. So drummer, what'd you like the most yesterday, man?
Oh, I definitely like clearing buildings.
Okay.
I love doing that. That CQB, going upstairs, clearing buildings, splash beam, or using the, what are they called, thunder bees. Those are freaking fun to use.
Awesome. Is there anything you've learned in particular?
I definitely learned a lot about keeping your cool on the field, because I saw a lot of guys getting really frustrated, and there's just no reason to get that mad on the field.
Awesome. All right, cool.
Unless you die in the first 2 minutes of the night game.
Yes. So what did you learn about the night game then?
Always watch your six and stay concealed even from your own people.
All right. So how you feeling today, man?
Awesome.
All right. Ready to dank some bros?
Ready to take on.
You ready, man?
Hey.
Ready to rock it? Woo! Come on. All right.
Locked and loaded.
Woo! You guys ready to rock it today?
Yep.
All right. Come on. TFR, baby. Woo!
This is my first LC.
All right.
For me. I'm totally pumped.
All right, man. You're gonna rock it. Let's do it.
As John mentioned, we have a long history with participating in his events, but this is the first year that we've sponsored one. So thank you guys for having us, and it was an honor fighting with and against you guys this weekend. Did everybody have fun this weekend? Yeah! Awesome. All right, well, I'm Jared from Fox Airsoft. This is Matt. I'm going to turn it over to him, and we're going to give some goodies away for you guys today.
Hi, we thought you guys would never make it back.
Oh, we got caught up with it.
Oh.
Hey guys, Matt here with Fox, and I just got back from an incredible weekend out at Lion Claws in Victorville, California. If you guys haven't been to Lion Claws, you need to go. It is a phenomenal operation out there with people from all over the country, even the world. We saw some people from the UK, also down in Brazil that came and formed up the squad. So it's just really cool to meet airsoft players, people who have the same love for the game that we do all over the world. Now, one of my personal highlights for the event was just all of the vehicles that were out there. The motor pool for Lion Claws was huge this year. We saw Deuce and Halves, 5-ton pickups, M113 armored personnel carriers, and a lot of other types of vehicles as well, from homemade technicals to some British armored transports.
It's a 1957 Daimler Ferret.
Okay.
So it is a 1919 in the turret. It's a two-man reconnaissance vehicle from Britain. And it's a 6-cylinder V60.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So if you haven't seen them, make sure to check out the footage for the Lion Claws motor pool video on Operation Lion Claws TV. Now with that, guys, if you're ever interested in attending one of these large national operations, but you're feeling a little intimidated, a great way to do so is to come on down to the shop, register for Fox Platoon training. We'll give you guys some training and experience on things we've learned over the years, and you'll have a group of guys that are going to go down to the tournament with you. It makes for a great time and a lot of fun. So I look forward to seeing you guys out on the field.